Downloaded a backup from Todoist, and now you have a TD file you're not sure how to use? These backups contain your entire task management history. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access and restore your Todoist data. I'm saving the most versatile part for last. We're going to rely on one simple but powerful TD file inspection tool that is capable of reading and repairing hundreds of file types. TD files are backup archive files exported from Todoist, the popular task management and productivity application. They contain a complete export of user data, including projects, tasks, labels, filters, comments, due dates, priority levels, and completion history in a packaged format for data portability and restoration. TD files are backup archive files exported from Todoist, the popular task management and productivity application. They contain a complete export of user data, including projects, tasks, labels, filters, comments, due dates, priority levels, and completion history in a packaged format for data portability and restoration. The anticipated software for loading TD is Todoist created by Doist. Windows often fails to decompress all components within this complex format. Windows can detect the file but not its contents, so a compatible backup program must be used to view it. To find the correct opener, right-click the TD file and choose Open With. Attempt to open it with Todoist first. If it's not present, select a different program and keep testing. If your TD file will not open, do not worry. You've exhausted the easy options. We must now test the specific common failure points to definitively isolate the source of the TD error. First, extract the archive. Rename the TD file extension to zip, or open it directly with any archive utility such as 7-zip WinRAR or the built-in OS archive extractor. The contents extract to reveal individual CSV files, each representing a Todoist project containing all associated task data and metadata. Next, review in spreadsheet software. Open the extracted CSV files in Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or LibreOffice Calc. Each row represents a task with columns for task content, priority level due date labels, and completion status. Sort and filter the data to find specific tasks or analyze your productivity patterns. Finally, restore to Todoist. To re-import data log into Todoist and use the project import feature. Navigate to Settings, then Backups in the Todoist web app to restore from an official backup. For manual restoration, create new projects and use the CSV import functionality or the Todoist API to programmatically recreate tasks from the exported data. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.